Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is wash day. If you haven't seen that video already, please watch the video where I bake my own shampoo and conditioner. So I did a hot oil treatment with coconut oil and I'm gonna wash it out now, but this is just so you guys can see my hair is very flaky from gel. But I did the coconut oil treatment for about 10 to 15 minutes. I heated it up and then I put it on. Now I will part my hair into 4 sections. So here is the shampoo that I made. If you haven't watched this video, please go watch it before you watch this one. So I put it all over my hair and I'm just going to focus at the roots. So I focus on the roots and I just kind of drag it down my shaft. I don't necessarily try to get too much shampoo on the rest of my hair, especially the ends, because that's the oldest part of our hair and you don't want to dry it out with the shampoo. However, this shampoo doesn't feel drying.
I like to experiment with homemade products as they are healthier and they don't have any chemicals. If you saw me make the shampoo, you'll see that I used black soap, aloe vera gel, and essential oils.
Here is the conditioner that I made. It's actually in like a thick consistency. So let's see how it goes. Ooh, so it's not too bad. I'm gonna just put it on. So I think the trick to the conditioner is to let it sit for a few minutes before you use it. So the consistency is really good. As I said before, I like to finger detangle before I use a comb. So I kind of like separate my hair from the ends and then I go up to the roots. So we're getting a little messy, So once again, finger detangle and then use the comb. Alright, I'm gonna leave it in for about 10 minutes and then wash it out. Here's how my hair looks after I take out the conditioner.
Thank you for coming to Caption. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for what I do with my hair after this wash day.